Thinking, is Jerry Auto Insurance legit? Watch this is Jerry Auto Insurance review. Have you used Jerry Auto Insurance before? Drop your experience in the comments below. So you've probably seen the ads. Save hundreds on car insurance in seconds. Sounds slick, right? Jerry pitches itself as the all-in-one app for car ownership, insurance, maintenance, even rewards. But is it legit or just another flashy app with more hype than help? Let's start with the good stuff. People love how fast it works. You sign up, answer a few questions, and boom, quotes start rolling in. Some users say they saved $50 to $100 a month just by switching through Jerry. It partners with big names like Progressive, Jayco, Nationwide, and more. The app even cancels your old policy for you. That's a win for convenience. The interface is clean, modern, and easy to use. You don't need to be tech-savvy to figure it out, and the Drive Shield feature gives feedback on your driving, which some folks say help them improve and feel safer. Now, the not-so-great. The quotes aren't always accurate. A bunch of users reported getting lowball quotes that later jumped once they tried to finalize the policy. That's frustrating. Also, Jerry doesn't show all available insurers. It only pulls from companies that integrate with their system or pay them. So you're not seeing the full market. That's a big deal if you're hunting for the absolute best rate. Customer service, mixed bag. Some say it's responsive and helpful. Others describe it as robotic, slow, or just plain confusing. There are complaints about canned replies and inconsistent answers. And if something goes wrong, like a payment issue or a policy denial, it can take days to sort out. Privacy is another concern. Jerry collects a lot of data. Driving habits, location, speed, even Google Maps history. They say it's for better quotes and rewards, but some users feel like they're the product, not the customer. The rewards system also gets called out. It sounds cool, points for safe driving, but the actual perks are underwhelming. Think $10 off Uber Eats or discounts you could find elsewhere. So is Jerry legit? Technically, yes. It's a licensed insurance broker. It works with real insurers. It's helped millions of users, but it's not perfect. If you're looking for a quick way to compare rates and maybe save some cash, it's worth a shot. Just go in with your eyes open. Double check the final quote, read the fine print, and don't expect miracles. Have you tried Jerry? Did it save you money or drive you nuts? Let's hear it.